Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. So today I got 2 recipes to share with you guys, so let's get straight to it. First up, we're gonna make some chicken patties. You're gonna need 1 can of chicken breast, I got this from Costco, 1 egg, and all of the seasonings, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and chili flakes if you like it a little bit spicy. I got mozzarella and Kobe Jack cheese, but feel free to use any kind of cheese that you would like. Here's a little tip. Open the can slightly. Now drain out all of that juice and add everything to the bowl. Now I'm not going to add salt because the chicken is a little bit salty, so I'm just going to skip out on that. I'm eyeballing my seasonings, so feel free to use as much or as little as you'd like. So by now you guys should know that I'm on a high-fat carnivore journey, so I'm going to use a lot of bacon fat. I have made these chicken patties before, and I noticed that when I take my time and break up all of those large chicken pieces, the center becomes so soft and moist. Highly recommend you take this step. Now as for the cheese, use any kind of cheese you would like, and I'm going to use maybe a 1/4 cup, maybe a little bit more on each one, but again, feel free to use as much or as little as you would like. After we got everything mixed well, I'm going to separate it into 4 equal pieces, or at least try to make them as equal as possible. I like to shape my patties round, and as for the thickness, I do like mine a little bit thicker because in the center it's more juicy, but again, make them the way that you like it. Now it is time to fry them. So I noticed at the very end I had a little bit left, so I made a baby patty. Now as for the patties themselves, I leave them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, but I continuously flip them until I get the goldness that I want. I want to make sure that the egg cooks, the cheese melts, and I get that nice crust on top. And here you have it, 1 can of chicken breast, an egg, cheese, and seasonings made 4 chicken patties. The taste is amazing, but you guys, check out the center. Of course, I had to try it with my spicy mayo mousse. I do have a video on how I made it, so please check that video out. This combination is so good. Alright, enough with the chicken patties. Let's get to the next item, and that is cottage cheese. Now, I used to call these chips, but they're more like cookies because they're chewy, they break apart, you have a little, munch, munch, munch. So let's get straight to it. All you need is cottage cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning. Spread it out on a parchment paper, stick it in the oven, and you're good to go. Okay, after sprinkling on the larger bits, I usually take my container, flip it over, and sprinkle some more of the everything but the bagel seasoning because more poppy seeds come out. Alright, time to stick it in the oven. What I put it on is 350 for about 35 minutes, but I do keep an eye on it. I'm looking for crispy edges, So around the 8-minute mark, I'll check it. As you can see, it's not done yet. So we got 1 minute left. This is perfect. I'm gonna take it out and I'll show you guys what they look like. Perfectly crispy edges, exactly what you're looking for. I'm gonna start calling these cottage cheese cookies because the cheese curds become chewy, it's savory, it's perfect as a snack. I hope you guys give these recipes a try, but till next time, love you all, God bless you, have a beautiful and blessed day. I'll see you guys next time.